This is a project to install a solar window that have two phases, installation and collect data. Here, you can see the project setup with detailed information about customer and project manager as well. Once the project is set up, we can easily view the project costs related to the quote. This can help in ensuring the project stays within budget. Then, we can view the project details on the mobile app. Select Project Management menu. You can see the list of projects. We'll select the project we created earlier. Here you can see the project details like on Epicor. The tabs below provide quick access to phases, jobs, and other related information. Move to the Jobs tab. These are jobs that related to the project. You can refer service jobs, maintenance jobs, and manufacturing jobs to the project. At the Work Details screen of the selected job, you can view the instruction of the job as well. Tab on the button Start Time to begin record the labor time. If the job require materials, you can also add and issue materials directly. What's more, you can update the required tasks for the installation process. On the tab form is the checklist for the job. When some elements are not checked, a warning message will be shown when you submit. Go to the Epicor. You can see the task and form that we submitted on the app before can shown on the Epicor as well. Finally, you can go back to the General tab and end time the jobs. After completing everything required for the job, you can attach some photos to document the process. A signature can be added to finalize the job. This ensures all work is tracked and accounted for. Then you can edit the phase completion to 100% and change the status to completed. You can see the updated cost by select the Build Project Analysis action, tick the checkbox Regenerate Project Analysis, submit and refresh the project. All the costs associated with the jobs are updated to project on Epicor, providing a comprehensive view of the project expense and progress.